Hey guys, it's your friend Captain Gamer 922 back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my Lego crane, which I've been working on for the last couple days. But yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how my crane works first. So if I walk over here, I click the on button. Oop. Make it set to 0. Oh, still on. Alright, now I see the lights on. Straight this way. Whoa. Oh, my battery came off. Oh. See that? I don't have a permanent place for it yet. Whoa, okay, that could be a problem. Yeah. So, watch. Ready? See it going up? And then if I switch it, see it going down? Also, so the way it goes down and up, so there's the motor, it's a L motor, goes into a drive shaft thingy, which can be curved and stuff. The piston, see? And then this is a long boom. I want to make it longer. Also guys, you see I built this weight back here. I just bricks because bricks can be heavy, but yeah. So this thing goes completely up and down. Maybe part 2 I'll have a winch on this. Also, I think I want to add a system right here, so just in case this falls or goes too far up, it won't let it. So, and I need to add a winch. Oh yeah, so between every connection point, I have a Lego Technic like square connector. Every single one. Also, if you see, I made these cool hinges. See, or not hinges, like clamps. They just clamp on there, and that's what connects these together. Pretty long. So let me see. See, that's going down. See, look at the piston. Ooh, took the battery off again. See the piston right there? How it extends. If I do it any farther, it will start making noises. So I gotta switch it the other way. Oh, I mean other way. Yeah, see it. Ooh, see? Alright, so this is the current problem I'm having. If I turn it towards me, the piston goes too high. If it goes too high, it starts going backwards. And then it cannot correct itself, so I have to take it apart. And, yeah. It's pretty tall. It's taller than an iMac Pro. Like the 27-inch. So I'm assuming it's pretty tall. Yeah, see if you can get a better look. I'm gonna use the thing real quick. Let me turn it over. Turn it off. See it? You see it? Oh, the thing's blowing on my head. see how it like pivots with it? The piston just doesn't like push it up. It actually pivots with the thing. So if it extends, it goes up with the arm. And then it's turnable. So I'll give you one more look of it, or the piston. Oh, wrong way. Alright, ready? See it just expanded. Where did it go? From farther view. See, the problem is once you get too high and if it gets too far back, it just like you can't fix it. It just gets stuck. And also, if you guys seen my first ever video watched, I'm designing this to hook onto this. That's why there's these down there. It's exactly as that designed to go on it. It's set. I have to add some weight to my crawler. Like, I've already had to add weight to this platform. Yeah, that's kind of big compared to my crawler. So yeah. Alright, so just to warn you guys, my Lego videos only come out like every 2 months. Or no, not 2 months. Every like once or twice a week, since they take me a long to build. So I spent the last 2 days on this because I was having problems with my piston like going up and stuff. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, go watch my other videos. Bye.